How to remove only the alternate lines from this list from Excel. Welcome to another video from softechonline. Watch this video to know the trick. The normal way to remove alternate lines is copying all alternate lines and paste. But, if your list is very long, you cannot do like this. Now the trick. Add one column with any name. And start marking the lines to be removed like this. Double-click here to autofill this for all remaining lines. Once done, add a filter to the sheet. And filter only the lines marked to delete. Select all these rows like this, right-click and delete those rows. You will be left with only the lines you required. You can also update the serial numbers like this. Hope you liked this trick. Please share and do subscribe to our channel for such videos.